Things are usually slow around here on Cunningham Road. But on Thursday around noon,
a car had ran through the yard, hit the fire hydrant, and that it was washing out.
Someone driving this silver Mercedes SUV swerved through the Sane family's yard, crashing into this fire hydrant.
I mean, it looked like a volcano erupted out here.
The high-pressure water flowing from the hydrant, rushing through the front yard, onto their driveway, and then all the way into the pond behind their home. And as if things couldn't get worse.
So he got out of the car, took off running, and then, kind of left us with the mess right here.
Even more, state troopers say the car had a fake tag, and it's unknown whether the suspect has insurance registered to that car. It's a much larger mess than the Sanes anticipated.
Before this, my yard didn't look like this, and now it does, and this is time and money that I'm going to have to invest in it to fix it,
The male suspect faces charges of misdemeanor hit and run, failing to maintain lane control, and fictitious tags.